Hi, welcome. Today we're here for something good and bad at the same time. Now, BMW just released a new logo, kind of like a rebrand, but it's come with mixed feelings. A lot of people say they like it, a lot of people say they don't. But then a whole lot of people have the entire idea of the BMW logo just so wrong. Now, the BMW logo, some people actually do think it looks like a propeller or something, but then it isn't a propeller. Others think it looks like a crash dummy, or like these cute crash dummies here having a little bit of even fun, or these other ones just trying to kiss in the car, or maybe this guy trying to fix Neuralink in his head, or just this other group that are trying to face the consequences of their sins. So they're basically facing the hangman. Not that. BMW is none of that. Now, BMW actually comes from the combination of so many things. Now, there's a place called Bavaria in Germany, and it comes with this very funky flag. Right here in this flag, we have two colors. We have the blue, and then we have the white, and then we have this funny funky thing in the middle that looks so old. But then now BMW is actually formed from that, and then you could notice it in the logo right here. So they just looked for a way to incorporate it and put it down here. But I'm basically thinking the designer probably had propellers in mind when he was doing this, but then they're just trying to deceive us. Who knows? Now today we're actually going to try to make that logo. But then before we make that logo, know that BMW makes the coolest cars, man. Everybody wants to drive a BMW. Look at this car looking so great. Okay, let's ignore that for now. Believe you didn't see that. Now we're going to create this logo. Right now we're going to try to make it as fast as possible, just the same way we did the previous one. Now we're going to create a 1920 by 1080 document, and then we're going to call it BMW logo design, and then we'll press create. Now when that comes up for us, we're going to look for a reference of BMW logos, of course, and then drag it in and see what we could do with this. Now we'll put it in the middle of here, and then we'll embed it just so it's embedded, and then command 2 is going to lock that particular layer for us. And then if you look, it's locked, but then we don't want it locked yet until we reduce the opacity just a little bit, or maybe we don't do that. We lock it just like this, and then we start making lines out of nowhere. So command arrow brings out our rulers for us, and then we put a line here, we put one here, and then we probably put one down here, and then come here and duplicate these other two and just take them down just a little bit, select the two of them still, and bring them to the bottom of here. Now that alone is going to serve as our reference. Now we could put one in the center if we want to, just so we know where the center point of this design is. Now we have all these lines, we can go ahead and lock them. So I'm going to use my command 2 again and lock all of them. Now the next thing I'm going to do here is to start creating these various points. As easy as possible, I'm going to make just one circle here to start with, as fast as I can, and then give that circle maybe a black fill, and then duplicate that circle and put it up to this level. Awesome. Probably take that to the back, reduce the color so you could see the variations, and then command C, command F gets me a duplicate of that, and I put that down here, and probably give this, take it to the back and give it a black color like this. So the next thing I'm going to do is to still take this circle, command C, command F, and probably just give a bit of allowance here and have that looking at me at that point. So for this, I'm going to turn it down to a stroke, so it's going to be a line for me. And then once I'm done doing that, I could come down to this area and take my rectangle tool and create 2 points, 2 shapes, actually not 2 points. The first shape here, and the second shape is going to appear this way. Cool. Awesome stuff. Now I'm going to select all of them together and probably start breaking them off just using my shape builder tool. Now once I have all of them selected in this manner, I could just trim all of them parts, and I have all those parts trimmed. Yes, I could ungroup them and see each of the parts separated from each other. Awesome. So I could start giving this any color I would prefer. So let's just start coloring from now. Now when I have that unlocked, it's simple. I select the shape, duplicate again down here, simple. Awesome. Now once I've done duplicating that, I use my shape builder to cut out this particular one from here. Now I have just the stroke at this particular point. Now I need to start writing something here, so I'm going to pick this, hold down my option key, and probably choose, let's say, font like Montserrat. Yeah, make it bold for now, increase it just so much, and maybe probably make it just about that. So all caps, and then I'm going to reduce what I wrote there, so make it BMW instead, and then go out of it just a little bit, copy a more pleasurable version to the top here just before I press this key. So copy a more pleasurable version up here. Awesome. Now I could delete just this one down because I don't really need it. Now I'm going to increase the size of this. I'm going to increase proportionately, and then I could do maybe 720 maybe, or less. Let's make it 7. Let's make this 700. Awesome. So we have something close to what we have there. Now what's left for us, you notice our logo is almost done, but then we have all these edges that look so different and not aligned to the part. So what we're going to do for that is to take this to a separate artboard on its own. So I'm going to drag these two artboards down, delete this, and then come down to this guy. Probably make this line so this text expanded as easy as possible, and then I could select all the shapes together, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, just to paste in front. I merge all of them together, and then I could have them together to do my bidding. So the first bidding I want to do in this particular case is to have the shape just right below the B over there. That's all I need. That is all I need. Trust me, that is all I need. Now I'm going to look for a way to stretch out these guys so they don't lose their fidelity. So I am stretching out, but then I'm staying on the line. Watch me stay on the line. See, I'm staying on the line. Awesome. I stay on the line. Yeah, that's it. I'm staying on the line. Cool. Now I do the same things for this guy down here. I try my best to stay on the line, which doesn't want to happen because this guy isn't straight, so I'm going to just do them individually. It's supposed to be straight though. Now I put that at that point. Now when I have all these guys together, I'm going to duplicate this shape just once more, but not now. Now I'm going to take this shape, use my shape builder, and cut off this particular point from this design. Awesome. Now the next thing I'm going to do, select again, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, or Command C, Command F, which I am actually doing. I'm so used to Windows, I basically say things like that. Now when I have that shape up there for me, I could also now select and start cutting these guys too. So I cut, and I cut, and I cut, and yes, I cut. Oh yes, I cut. Awesome. So now it's neat. So I could delete this, and I have that white looking at me there, so looking great. Now I could now pick those colors back and probably put this guy in a separate background. So I'm going to divide this just into two and let it be pure black, just like the same way they've done that. Duplicate this, keep it on top here. Awesome. Maybe probably take this to the down to the bottom. So tell me what you think, guys. I want to know, do you think the BMW logo is awesome? Do you think it's not? I'd like to know your opinions. Write it down in the comment section. Till I see you again next time.